Hey guys, welcome back to another great tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to press the B key on your keyboard. So on my keyboard, the B key is the one that is by the V and the N. You could see that when you press it, you gonna take your hand, okay? And then let's just when you push it, you're gonna go put your finger on it, okay? Then you're gonna put your finger on it. Then you're click on it. Click on it, and then you'll click. So then when you click, it should put something up on your monitor like that. So that's how you press your that's how you press the V key. Subscribe for more tutorials.